Hello, everybody. Welcome to my channel, Coffee Time with Grandpa. I am Grandpa, and today we're going to be talking about Mother Earth, the path of no return. Now, what do I mean by a path of no return? It just seems like we are in a balancing act with Mother Nature, where what's going on is now that the oceans are rising, our planet is warming, and the climate change is changing, uh, we are getting out of balance, okay? The scale is being tipped over, and we don't have very much time left before we start getting extreme weather, which we're already experiencing. We need to go ahead and try to figure this mess out that we're in. Our planet is a very delicate planet, and anytime that it has become out of balance, it has really hurt us a lot. It has killed a lot of people with earthquakes, volcanic activity, more carbon dioxide being put in the atmosphere, which is reflecting the heat back out uh, into the solar system. And we are getting warmer and warmer and warmer, and the glaciers are melting. So these are all danger signs. What you don't realize is Mother Nature is a living organism, and we are slowly, by the presence of human beings on the planet, which is is 8 billion people. We have 8 billion people on this planet, and population wise, it keeps on getting higher and higher and higher. And this is not good because we are over farming, we are destroying our forests, the Amazon is being burned to the ground, and it's just so much pollution going on in our lands that it's just starting to show. And by recently, I was watching a news broadcast where in California, whales and dolphins were beaching themselves on the beaches, and they were dying because they were being attacked by this parasitic algae that's been in the ocean, because the oceans are too warm, so it gives food for algae to grow. And of course, this causes a lot of problems in our deep oceans and on our coastal lands in California and the southern part of the United States. Our air is being constantly polluted by carbon monoxide emissions because, well, just look at our cities with all the cars going on, and we're still on combustible engines, which basically means it's spurting more carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, making it harder for us to breathe clean air. There's also, with the melting of the glaciers, especially in Alaska, the melting of these glaciers and then are freeing up more carbon dioxide, because when the ice melts, more methane seeps through and goes into our air quality. So there are just so many dangers nowadays with fossil fuels, mining, water runoff that is polluting our oceans, melting glaciers, over farming practices. The list just goes on and on and on. And the path we are on cannot continue as it is doing. We have to change. We have to change the way we live our lives. And we are now going through this transition from the age of Pisces into the age of Aquarius, which means we're leaving behind the age of Pisces, which was really considered the age of Christianity, if you want to bring religion into it. And we're now leaving that, and we're entering into the age of Aquarius, which is a more pagan related religion, where we're starting to take care of our planet again. We abused our planet in the age Pisces, and now we're entering into this transition phase. We're starting to take care of our planet again. So there is hope out there for us all, and if we all work together and create a clean environment and stop polluting our resources, we will make it through this challenging time. Climate change is a real thing. We have to stop telling ourselves that, oh, it'll take care of itself, because Mother Earth is hurting really bad. Mother Gaia needs our help. And if you're a naturalist like I am, and you believe in nature and preserving the forests and preserving our water and preserving our land, our farmland, you will start waking up and doing your part. Fish, like there's also another thing, that the fish or the salmon population, mainly in Alaska and up in the northern countries, have been decimated, and along with other fish species, and they are just now starting to make a recovery. Fresh water for humans to drink is becoming a resource that is being very scarce. It's just so, you will not believe how scarce water really is on this planet, and we have to start taking care of our resources a lot better than we had been in the past. According to scientists, we have 6 to 20 years before climate change will become a horrible reality. And I think it's going to be sooner than that, because it's a horrible reality right now. What is happening? Temperatures in the oceans are going up. It's affecting our currents that are going through our weather patterns, because that's where we get our weather patterns from, is the currents in the ocean dictate of what kind of weather we're going to have on land. Extreme weather events are going to increase. Rising sea levels are going to go up. The ecosystems are going to break down, which they're already doing, because there's mass extinctions going on and we don't even know about it. We're losing hundreds and hundreds of different species of animals every year to extinction because of the changing weather patterns. So please join with me in this battle that we are having. Help Mother Nature out anywhere you can. We must conserve our energy, reduce waste, support substantial business practices, sustainable business practices, I'd rather say. Uh, Always support a business that is nature conscious and that is helping out Mother Nature. I hope this was very informative to you. Today is one of those days in present time that our natural resources are being challenged, and we really need to, every person on this planet needs to do their part to try to help out. Thank you for watching my channel. Always like, share, and comment, and subscribe on my channel. And if you found this topic interesting today, please leave a comment. Support my channel by subscribing, because it helps me out tremendously. I'm going to send love and blessings for everybody out there from Grandpa. Bye-bye, blessed be, and see you next time.